TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials trading up 62. You get the NASDAQ up 18. S&Ps are up 6. Gold contract down $3.20, trading at $1,191 an ounce. We have silver down 20 cents at $16.59 an ounce. Copper is flat out here at $2.73 a pound. Light sweet crude is down 41 cents at $60.85 a barrel. Bonds. Now, the bond market, folks, and the dollar is going to run this market. Volatility we have out here in spades. You have the 10-year down 19 ticks, 125.23. The 30-year down a full point and 17 ticks at 150.08. And King Dollar. So check this out, folks. King Dollar is down 313 ticks. After being down 1,500 ticks yesterday, after doing a counter-trend bounce this morning where it was up 500 ticks, bottom line, it's just given up 800 ticks in all of about 35 minutes. Euro is up 79 at 123.30, and the yen is up 3 at 124.10. You are going to have volatility, I mean, in spades extraordinaire out here, folks. If we start with the S&P, this is what you have happening. And this is the third day in a row, by the way, that this market sold off in an extraordinary way right at the open. And that's an operator that's in there. I'll start with the futures. That's an operator that in there is a very large operator throwing huge amounts of contracts at the future S&P. We had it right off the bat out here. You had 109,000 contracts on a 10-minute basis on the E-mini. That took the E-mini down 8 points in 1 minute, okay? That's not over, folks. Bottom line is that the low of that out here today is 2106. I expect you're going to get down to 2106 or at 2111 right now, and more than likely you're going to go much lower. And in a market like this that produces this type of volatility and this type of selling, it's just a matter of when no bids show up on the other side. If we go to the S&P, the actual SPY, and you take a look at the SPY, this is what you have happening in the SPY. SPY yesterday, flat market. You went to a lower low. You did have slightly higher volume. What I expect you're going to see out here today, the SPY has been trying to get to a higher price, hasn't been able to hold higher price. We're at 211.76 right now, and any close that stays under 212.24 has already produced a lower range. That lower range is saying that the SPY wants to run after 204. If we go to the NDX 100 and we use the NQs, we take a look at the NDX 100. What you're going to see there is that NDX 100 crawled up to 45.40. It's at 45.23 right now. That's going to be a major failure on price, on volume, all of the above. When that operator was hitting the S&Ps, that operator also hit the NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures, you talk about blowing it out of the water. NASDAQ futures came down from 34 to 13 in a minute with 19,000 contracts, and thus far we've only done 73,000. That trader will be back inside the marketplace. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract out here is trading 1190.20. And what you're going to see out here inside gold is that gold is resilient, folks. It refuses to back down. We got to a price point of 1186 today. You're at 1190. This gold contract wants to move up to the 1223 and more than likely take that baby out. And that brings us back to the dollar. The dollar index, folks, is toast. Get the jelly out, big time. Dollar index right now is trading at 95.54. We came in yesterday. You talk about volume, man. This is a heavy volume. Yesterday we came in and we did 86,000 contracts on the way down. Today we're going to do just as many. Dollars going after the swing low of 93.18. More than likely we're going to see an 90 to $88. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow, folks, 10 a.m.
If you're like me, you see the world's emerging nations as a very real opportunity, as these countries and their economies are developing right before our eyes. And you can rest assured that Everbank has spotted this opportunity too. In fact, they have just released the second running of their 5-year Market Safe Futures Economy CD. This is a CD that could really deliver, but you only have until June 11th to take advantage. Consider the facts. If the future economy's currencies beat the US dollar over the CD term, you'll get all of the upside at maturity. And should they lose, no worries. There's zero downside risk here, as you get back 100% of your deposited principal. Don't miss out. The June 11th funding deadline is quickly approaching. So hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN-CD for more information, including important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN-CD. Everbank is an equal housing lender and member FDIC.